Lucia is concerned, they're on top 2-0 in this best-of-7 series.
We're 2 up, but Purpose is a very strong team. I do respect them.
Yes, it looks bleak at this point, but this is a great test of character for us. We're coming in right now as the underdogs, trying to fight a little into that 2-0 lead.
They will come out strong, for sure. They will come out strong, but we'll be ready for them.
And right now, can Santa Lucia build a 3-0 lead, or will Pure Foods bounce back in this series with a victory para sa PBA Final? There is absolutely no doubt the pressure in this game is on Pure Foods, because this team on your screens, led by the incredibly athletic Kelly Williams, they are on the rise and they're red hot. Entering this ball game, higanting dasalan sa Santong Bakbakan, because Pure Foods now praying for a victory to avert what could be an insurmountable 3-0 hole dito sa best-of-7 finals. Miko Halili kasama si Rado de Malibot, and Rado, Santa Lucia now is telling everyone, we are for real.
Well, alam mo, kahit 2-0 ang ating best-of-7 series, napaka-interesante pa rin ang ating series na ito, sapagkat kahit down by 2 games ang kupunan ng Pure Foods, ito ay isa lamang sa mga kupunan na nakabalik sa 0-2 hole. Dalawang beses pa nilang ginawa ito noong 2002 and 2006, kapareho nilang nakuha ang kampiyonato despite being down by 2.
That is going to be the major motivation para dito kay Coach Ryan Gregorio. I won't be surprised one bit kung yan ang kanyang estilo para ganahan at manggigil yung kanyang tropa para sa larong ito. And you're right, kung may isang kupunan na may karapatan na sabihin, kaya namin bumangon, it's Pure Foods.
At rinig natin yung sinabi ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Ngayon sila ay underdog, pero nakita natin pumasok tayo sa series, especially yung game 1, para bagang nasa kanilang momentum. They were overconfident na itrato itong kanilang kalaban at nag-backfire sa kanila yan. Kaya nga dalawang talo agad ang natamo ng kupunan ng Pure Foods Giant. Higanting dasal ang kanilang kailangan dito. As we see, itong mga kailangan nating bantayan dito sa kupunan ng Pure Foods. Una, dahan, ang kamay. Ang player may pinakamalaking kamay sa kanila, that's James Schaap. At hindi lang yung kamay ni James Schaap sa scoring ang kanilang kinakailangan. He needs a helping hand. Marami mga players ang kanila mag-step up dyan. Hindi lamang si Kirby Raimundo, hindi lamang si Ray Mangilista. Maraming players pa ang kanilang kinakailangan. The nose. Kailangang maamoy ng mga Pure Foods ang depensa at kailangan mag-adjust sila sa depensa ng Santa Lucia. At sa pagdating sa hustle ball o yung kanilang mga numero pagdating sa rebounding, kailangan din nilang paigtingin. Of course, the eyes. They have to be very aggressive. Ang mata ng mga taga-Pure Foods kailangan ng lilisik ngayong Game 3.
Well, earlier nagkaroon tayo ng seremonya sa Senate Court involving Darwin Lilo, no? Mahusay na chess player natin. Marami tayong mga special na bisita because this is Game 3 of the best-of-7 finals para sa Philippine kapatid sa inyo ng Smart. Santa Lucia in immaculate white, Pure Foods in fighting red. Santa Lucia with a 2-0 lead in this best-of-7 series, and to this day, Rado, marami pa rin hindi naniniwala.
And being down by 2 games, sa Pure Foods, maraming adjustment na kailangan gawin. Kitang-kita yan dito sa kanilang starting five na makikita mo magsisimula ni Chico Lanete sa point guard position kasama si James Schaap. Samantalang sa front line nila, nandiyan agad si Artie Larong at si Jonathan Salvador, usually coming off the bench. So nawala sa starting five na si Roger Yap, nawala dyan si Romel Adumoy, nawala rin si Ray Evangelista.
Starting for Santa Lucia, rookie Ryan Reyes, kasama si Dennis Espino, Kelly Williams, Butoyo Bolon, and Denok Miranda. And there's Kelly Williams. He is so energetic inside, and he will take 2 free throws. Kelly Williams, a leading candidate para sa best player of the conference.
Why fix it if it ain't broke? Yan ang nangyayari sa Santa Lucia. The usual 5 ang ipinasok ni Coach Boyet Fernandez sapagkat napakaganda ng i-deliver nitong 5 players na ito. Sa pangunguna na, of course, si Machine Gun Kelly Williams, who tallies his first point. Alam mo, itong si Kelly Williams, abang tinitingnan natin itong mga watch list natin sa Santa Lucia. Kung may hand ang Pure Foods, ang fingers ng Santa Lucia, 5 at least players ang laging consistently naglalaro for Coach Boy Fernandez, kaya sila up by 2 games. Not only Kelly Williams, we talk about Pamulon, we talk about Denok Miranda, we talk about Yo, we talk about Espino, and a lot of players sa bench lang. we also talk about the art of Santa Lucia, ang kanilang present defense, ramdam na ramdam mo. And thirdly, yung kanilang heart, ang puso at pamumuno ng kanilang mga veterano, nandun lagi sa series ito.
Yes, by Reyes. And there's a swipe. Kelly Williams, handoff. Reyes will score.
Kahit si Ryan Reyes has been very consistent. Not in scoring though sa first two games, and we still expect some scoring explosion from this talented point guard in Ryan Reyes.
Meantime, Purefoods on the attack here, down 3-0 in the opening quarter. Jordan Salvador will miss. Here's Miranda. Enoch Miranda on the move. Goes to Reyes on the right side, and the veteran Dennis Espino wants the ball against the smaller Jordan Salvador. And Espino shoots over Salvador. Tulakan po sa ilalim. It will go against
Artie Larong, I think.
The Cebuano bruiser, Artie Larong.
Well, kasama yan sa kailangan pabantayan ng mga taga Pure Foods na kailangan they should be at pa pagdating sa paghasel para sa mga bola. Yung notes na binabanggit natin. At wala pa ang bola dito kay Kelly Williams. Talagang hindi na tinatantanan ni Artie Larong.
Ang tawag din, lips-to-lips defense.
And another lips-to-lips foul. Ang nakita ng ating mga referee.
You know, ito si Artie is fast earning a reputation here in the PBA. Siya talaga ang nagiging enforcer dito ng Pure Foods. He's had run-ins before with other stars from other teams as Miranda scores with the layup, and it's now a 5-0 ball game.
You see the confidence now in Santa Lucia. No? Hindi ganito ka-aktibo ang kanilang pagsimula ng first two games. But now, parang sila pa ang mainit dito sa simulang ito. At ang Pure Foods ang talagang naghahagilap. Hindi ka nga nag-a-adjust ng gusto dito sa ating laro na ito. 5-0 in favor of Santa Lucia. Pero si Artie Larong, being the Visayan bruiser, kailangan niya ma-realize. Visayan lang din sa kanyang binabantayan. In long Williams pakatawag natin yan. James Shop tallying his first 2 points.
Again, din ang first 2 points of Pure Foods sa laro ito. There's Miranda. Santa Lucia very aggressive here in the opening moments of Game 3.
And that's a statement penetration from Denok Miranda. Naka-score ang kanilang kalaban, pero sinalis ka agad nila. Dumipensya kayo. At kapagkat lalabanan namin kayo ng palitan, before the finals, we are talking about Santa Lucia as a defensive team. Not anymore with the explosion of the players in the lineup of Coach Boyd Fernandez. Even including players like Denok Miranda na mahihiyaing tumira. Pero in this finals, he's been delivering the goods for the Realtors.
And he's had the top task of shutting down James Yap, at least trying to shut down James Yap, which Santa Lucia has been able to do sa fourth quarter in the games of this series.
Among others, sapagkat hindi lamang si Denok ang pinababanda ni Coach Boyd dyan. Kahit si Pitoy, pinapatigil dyan. Kahit si Joseph Yo, lahat halos pinapaikot nila on James Yap because they know is the focal point of Pure Foods offense.
And there's going to be a flagrant foul here as the, tingnan mo na, what we want to know is kung counted din yung layup ni Bitoy Omolon.
Mukhang sa liig, pinamahan itong si Denok Miranda. Nakasama natin sa watch list yung aggressiveness ng Pure Foods, pero mukhang over-aggressive ito. Ito, we see here, Denok Miranda passes off. And that's Kirby Raimundo actually using the elbow on Denok Miranda. So magkahalong statement pa foul na yan. But you know, this really is a physical series, but kailangan mataan din ang ating mga referees yung mga ganyang actuations dyan.
Si Garchi Ferrer, that's the referee approaching the officials table, na pinapaliwanag niya anong magiging tawagan dito. Si Artie Larong ang tinawagan ng flagrant foul penalty 1, and siya ngay sumalubong dito kay Denok Miranda. Layup ni Bitoy Omolon will not count.
Okay, so pero si Denok Miranda ang mabibigyan ng mga free throws after being in the receiving end of that Artie Larong tackle. So ba, si Artie Larong ang nakakapagtala ng 3 na personal fouls.
Yes.